Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, if you have watched our previous video, it's all about pairing the support app, the Dafit app, with the ZL54C smartwatch. This time, we are going to check more on the features of the smartwatch, okay? Specifically the watch faces, as you can see here. So we are going to try and download the watch face for our ZL54C smartwatch and check if there are enough or cool looking quality watch faces for our smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start here with a preloaded, okay, watch faces on the ZL54C smartwatch. Okay, so to change the watch face, just long press and let's check. We have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 watch faces. So if you like this one, just tap on it and you activated the watch face here. Okay, you have chosen a watch face. If you want a other way to change the watch face, you can go to the settings. Okay, go to the display section and tap on the watch face here, and the same process. Okay, swipe on the different list of watch faces. Okay, so as you can see here, we are on the 12-hour standard time. If you want to change it, you can go to the support app. Okay, go to the other section here. You can change it to the 24-hour format time. Let's see. Okay, as you can see here, we have changed it to 24-hour format time. Let's go back to the 12-hour format time. Okay, so we put it back to the 12-hour format time. So this time, let's download a watch face. Okay, tap on the watch face section. Okay, so we have here the face gallery. So let's check. So we have new watch faces here. We have recommended section. We have art. Okay, we have funny, colorful, modern. Okay, so we have a lot of watch faces here. We do hope that it is free. Okay, let's explore first the new watch faces. Okay, seems like it's all free here. Yes, it is free, I think. Oh, I like this one. Okay, the speed. Okay, we'll get back to that. Okay, Halloween is here, the same with the first one. So we have a lot of watch faces here. Okay, I'm excited to download a new watch face for the ZL54C. Going back, recommended, let's see. Okay, we only have at least 1, 2, 3, 4 recommended. We have art. Okay, so seems like this is a different watch faces. Okay, and it takes time to download for the art. We have funny. Okay, so cartoon like watch faces here, and seasons, I think Christmas season, we have it here. Okay, modern. Okay, we also have classic. We only have 3. Okay, so let's go back here with the new watch faces and let's download. Okay, let's have an example. So we will pick this one, the speed. So tap on it. So description, it is free. Okay, so as you can see there, we have a lot of downloads here, 2,251 downloads. So let's try and apply. Okay, So it's now loading. Hopefully there will be no issues or conflict. Okay, it's now downloading the watch face. Okay, we have a progress bar here, so you can see if it's working or not. Okay, so more than 50% now. We'll see if how will the watch face will look like on our ZL54C smartwatch. So far, okay, the installation of the support app is very smooth, no issues at all. Okay, so we have here our watch face. Nice. So it looks okay, just there's some typo here. As you can see, it should be battery, not battery. Okay, so let's look for another one. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, we have here this one. Let's see. Okay, the same. That one we already downloaded that. Let's just look for other design here. There's some typo on the label of the watch face, or maybe it's really is the exact label. I don't know. We have, oh, I like this one. It's like a news. Tap on it. Magic Daily. Okay, so apply. A daily dial with a mysterious magical aura. It's now downloading. 0%. So let's wait. Okay, as you can see here, we are almost 100%. So let's wait and let's check. Okay, finally we downloaded this Magic Daily watch face. Okay, nice, much better than the first one. I like the style here, so classic. Okay, so let's check. Okay, I'm interested on the custom watch face. Does the smartwatch support a custom watch face? So we have here a section for edit. I think this is the custom watch face. Okay, so let's check on that. So here it is asking for permission. Allow Dafit to access photos, media, and files on your device. Allow it. And we have here different background. Okay, so we also have an AI watch face. Nice. Okay, how do we set this up? Okay, so let's check. Allow Dafit to take pictures. Okay, so it will record a video. No, I don't like that, but anyway, we'll check on that later on. Choose from the album or pick a preset. Preset 5, 4, 3, 2, and we have at least 5 preset background here. I'm just going to choose from the album. Okay, gallery. Where's my rotten mango? Okay, so check, and we have here the watch face, so you can adjust the position, time, and date. Okay, so as well as the color here you can set. So once you've chosen the time, the position, the time, and the color, tap on save. It is now switching background. Okay, so it is now downloading the watch face to our smartwatch. Okay, so let's wait. So 19-20%. Okay, we are on our 90%. In just a few seconds we'll have our custom watch face. Okay, nice. Okay, so far everything works. It is just a bit slow in downloading, but so far no issues at all. Let's go back to this one. Okay, so that's it for the watch face section of the ZL54C smartwatch. Okay, it has plenty of cool looking quality watch faces, and it's all free, And we also have an option for the custom watch face. And I'm interested on that AI watch face. So we'll explore on that later on. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.